I must be thy lady. But I know, when thou wast stolen away from Fairland, and in the shape of corn sat all day, playing of pipes of corn and versing love to amorous Philia. Why art thou here, come from the furthest tip of India? But that pursued the dancing Amazon, you basket mistress and your warrior love. Two Theseus must be wedded, and you come to give their bed joy and prosperity?
How canst thou thus for shame, Titania, glaze at my credit with Hippolyta, knowing I know thy love to Theseus? Didst not thou lead him to the glimmering night from Perigenia, whom he ravished, and make him fair eagles break his faith?
These are the forgeries of jealousy, and never, since the midsummer spring, met we on hill, in dale, forest, or mead, by pale fountain, or by rushy brook, or in the beach margins of the sea, to dance our ringlets to the whistling wind. But with thy brows thou hast disturbed our sport. The fall winds, piping to us in vain, as in revenge, have sucked up from the sea contagious fogs, which, falling in the land, have every urchin river made so proud that they overboard their continents.
The ploughman lost his wet, and the green corn had rotted his youth attained a beard. The fool stands empty in the drawn fields, and crows are fatted with the marron flock. The 9-man morris is filled up with mud, and the quaint mazes in the wanton green, for lack of tread, are undistinguishable. The human mortals want their winter here. No night is now, with him her carol blessed. Therefore the moon, the governess of floods, pale in her anger, washes all the hair, that rheumatic diseases do abound.
And through this temperature we see the season alter. Hoary-headed frosts fall in the fresh lap of the crimson rose, and all on him stain an icy crown. Another's chaplet of sweet summer baths is, as a mockery, set. The spring, the summer, the chiding autumn, angry winter, chain their wanted liveries and amazed the world. But their increase now knows not which is which, and this hidden progeny of evil comes from our debate, from our dissension. We are their parents and original.
Do you mend it then? It lies in you. Why should Titania cross her Oberon? I do but beg a little changeling boy to be my henchman.
Set your heart at rest. The fairy lamb buys not the child of me. His mother was a votress of my order, and in the spicy Indian air by night, full often has she gossiped by my side, and sat with me on Neptune's yellow sands, marking the embarked traders on the flood, when we have laughed to see the sails conceive, and grow big-bellied with a wanton wind, which she, with pretty and with swimming gait, would imitate the sails upon the land, to fetch me trifles and return again, as from a voyage rich with merchandise.
But she, big immortal, of that boy did die, and for her sake would very wrap her boy, and for her sake I will not part with him.
Well, good Ivy, thou shalt not from this world till I terminate thee for this injury. My gentle Puck, come hither. Thou rememberest seeing Swanee sat upon a promontory, and heard a mermaid in a dolphin's back, uttering such dulcet and harmonious breath, that the rude sea grew seaweed at her song, and certain stars shot madly from their spheres, to hear the sea maid's music. That very time I saw, but thou couldst not, climb between the cold moon and the earth, Cupid or art.
A certain aim it took, at a fair vessel thrown by the west, and loosed his love shaft smartly from his bow, as it should pierce 100,000 hearts. But I might see young Cupid's fiery shaft quenched in the chaste beams of the watery moon, and imperial waters passed on, in meditation, fancy free. Yet mark thou where the bolt of Cupid fell. It fell upon a little western flower, before milk white, now purple with love's wand, and maidens call it love in idleness.
Fetch me that flower, the herb I showed thee once, the juice of it on sleeping eyelids laid, will make, or man or woman, madly dote upon the next lived creature that he sees. Fetch me this herb, and be thou here again. Having washed this juice, I wash Titania when she's asleep, and drop the liquor of it in her eyes. The next thing then she, waking, looks upon, be it on lion, bear, or wolf or bull, on meddling monkey or on busy ape, she shall pursue it with the salve of love.
I pray thee give it to me. I know a bank where the wild thyme blows, where ox lips and nodding violet grows, quite over canopied and with luscious woodbine, with musk roses and with eglantine. There sleeps Titania sometime of the night, lulled in these flowers with dances and delight. And there the snake throws her enamel skin, with wide enough to wrap a fairy in, and with the juice of this I trick her eyes, and make her full of hateful fantasies.
Io sono Margherita.
Io sono Lise.
Io sono Anna.
Io sono Alessandro.
Io sono Anna.
Io sono Edoardo.
Io sono Elisa.
Io sono Giovanni.
Io sono Martina.
E io sono Davide, tutti studenti del corso di teatro in inglese, della compagnia teatrale Attori per caso. At your command!